Alright guys, welcome to Rusty Duck Garage. Today we're going to take the 1956 Pontiac for a little ride. We're going to drive it down the road here and let you see how she runs. Alright, here comes the 1956 Pontiac cruising through. Sounded good, sounded real good. She's a cruiser. Alright, here we go, the old 56 Pontiac. Got a power glide.
Oh, hydromatic.
Oh, she's got a hydro in her.
Yep.
She's got a hydro in it.
Got 3-speed.
3-speed hydro. Now, I didn't know they made a 3-speed hydro. I knew the 4 speeds. Yeah, she's running good. Here's down the road here, just out of Lafayette, Oregon. Right about rush hour, if we'd call it that, in Lafayette. The old Pontiac's riding smooth. Steering wheel staying nice and straight.
Pretty amazing how the old sun visors are still all nice. Real
Nice.
you can put your mileage in.
They use a grease pencil?
Yep.
Nice. Yeah. Fun old car to cruise in.
Get in and drive down the road with the car. Cold natured, but aren't we all?
Yeah, it just takes a little bit to get warmed up in the morning there. Once she gets warmed up, she just runs like a dream. You know, hydro works nice. Now we're out here, out of Lafayette. This is the old concrete slab, they call it.
Yep.
It's the old Highway 99W. The old highway there is cracking up and pretty rough, but still doing a good job. Someday they'll overlay it, but that concrete will be here for many, many years to come. How about that stainless steel there on the hood of the Pontiac there?
77,089 miles today.
Yep, 77,089 miles. Look at the speed over the red there. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Yeehaw.
Well, you know the Pontiacs in 56 would outrun a Chevy.
Well, yeah, they would. Right. And a Ford too.
Yep.
The Ford was a 56 to be what, a 292?
Yep. And a Chevrolet would be a 265.
Right. Cotton Owens raced this 1956 Pontiac Chieftain in NASCAR in 1956. Right, this is what.
I think it's a 276.
Yeah.
Is what they were.
So that.
But they won a lot of races in NASCAR with the Pontiac.
Right. Like say the 265 and the Chevrolet come out in 55. Ford still running the 292. I don't know what Chrysler had then, but
They were all that small Hemi, and I can't remember.
331 or something like that.
I don't know if 331 was out yet. They had that 270 something Hemi.
Right. The old Fire Dome.
Drive straight down the road. It's pretty amazing, but to never get driven.
Yeah. You've had the car, what, 5 years now?
5 years now.
Yeah. And this car here was, I think I told you in the other video, but the Schrock, well, one of the Amish families bought it here and took it to church, and pastor says, sorry, but that car's too flashy. It's going to have to go.
Shouldn't have that car.
Shouldn't have that car. So they ended up selling the car. Another local family has had it for many, many years here
Spent its whole life here in McMinnville.
in McMinnville, Oregon. That's the trickiest part right there.
Yep.
Right.
But once it gets a little heat and warmth in it, trick with these old hydromatics is they never had park.
No park.
Nope, you had neutral. But once you drop them down in reverse,
After you shut it off?
after you shut it off, drop it in reverse, and it has a park gear in reverse. So it'll lock into place and acts just like park, but you do it in reverse.
That's funny, but you have to shut the engine off first.
Yep, I shut the engine off and drop it down in park, and it'll move back just a click, and then it'll drop in just like a normal park gear, and be done.
Yeah, when we started driving, you know, low gear was go down to the bottom. We'd just slam them in low gear. You ain't gonna get away with that with one of these.
When you slam this one all the way down, you're in reverse. The old dome light just cracks me up still.
Yeah.
Even the headliner's unripped. It's stained, but unripped. Just
a lot of fun.
You know, if this thing was a Chevy, would it be worth 3 times what this Pontiac's worth in this condition?
Well, thanks, Sean, for showing us the old Pontiac today.
No problem. We really appreciate it.
Thanks. All right. Well, thank you for watching this episode of Rusty Duck Garage. And if you would, please hit that subscribe button, the like button, and make any comments. We'd certainly like to hear what you say about this 56 Pontiac. Hitting that subscribe button really helps us out. So if you can, please do that. This 56 Pontiac, Sean's had it for, like he said there, 5 years. It's been in storage at his house. We recently brought it over here to a shop that him and I have rented together to work on our cars with. And we do sell the little storage set. Well, like I say, I hope you liked the video. We're planning on creating more videos like this one. So stay tuned and watch Rusty Duck Garage. Thank you.